Hello everyone. In this exercise of Autocad, I will create a this sketch, 2D sketch. Okay. First, I will create this circle of radius 250, and this line. This horizontal line at a distance from the quadrant is at a distance of 150. Okay. I will make this first. I will make a circle and this line 150. Later on, I will draw these lines. Okay. Out. This is when you open the AutoCAD, this interface is come, and I draw first a circle, center radius, this one, any point, and radius is 250, enter. So this circle is of 500 dia radius. Okay. Now I draw a line here, line from the quadrant at a distance of 150. Please keep the polar tracking on, this button, and this object snap and object snap tracking. Okay, I am keeping this quadrant on, intersection on, endpoint on. Okay, bring your cursor on this quadrant point. Okay, and hold for some time. Take away your cursor, this extension, this one, hold for some time. Now give distance 150, enter. Now draw a line straight, this one. When you see the intersection point, click there, enter. Now remove the trim unnecessary parts, trim, enter. Now I am selecting all the edges are cutting edges. Okay, this one, select this one and this one. I am removing this undesired part. Okay, enter this one. Now if you see this, now I will draw three lines, 1, 2 and 3. One is this line, one I will draw the line from the quadrant. Okay, then at a offset 150 and 175. Then for this center there are the two lines also at a distance of 60 and 125. First I will draw any three lines here, 1, 2 and 3 at a distance of 150, 175. Okay, line, move your cursor on the quadrant and hold for some time. Move your cursor up and click and drag this point and click, enter. Now take offset, take the through option, because I want to take the distance at variable. First select the object and their side. This distance is 150, enter. Okay, now select this one, this, and now take the distance 175, this one, enter. Okay, now if you see the drawing, this one, now there are the center, this horizontal distances at a distance of 60 and 125. Okay, 60 and 125. Select this line, because offset command is still active, 60, enter. And another distance is 125. Now this and 125, enter. These two lines, actually the intersection of this one is the this center point of circle and this another circle. Okay, now exit, enter out of the command. If you see, one circle is this one, 60 mm radius, 30 mm radius, and this is 25 mm radius. First I will draw the two circles here. Okay, center radius, this point, 30 radius, enter. In order to repeat the command, this point, now 25 radius, enter this. Now you remove unnecessary part. How? Erase command. Erase command, select this, and this, enter this way. Now draw the lines here from this quadrant, and please keep the polar tracking on. This one, enter, enter, in order to repeat the command. This one, this one, enter. Now erase command, erase this one, enter. Now remove unnecessary parts. How? Trim, enter. Now all the edges are cutting edges. Remove this one and this one. Now enter. This is the our you see, if you see the dimension, this is circular, this one. I will show you the dimension. If you take the linear dimension, this dimension and quadrant, this is 150. Okay, and now radius, this radius is 250. Again radius, this radius is 30. Again radius, this radius is 25. Okay, now if you enter, modify, fit, text, symbol and arrows, none, okay, close. Now this one, center mark is there. Now give the linear dimension, bring your cursor on this point, and quadrant, uncheck it, and center, okay, object snap, this one. Now linear, this and this is 175. Again linear, this center point and this quadrant point. Quadrant, on the quadrant, this one, quadrant, this one. This is 150. Okay, one more distance, linear, from this point to this center point. This is 125, if you see. Okay, in this 150, 125, this and this distance, linear, this and this. This is 60 mm. One more distance, linear, this point and this point. This is 125 already taken in this way. If you see our sketch is this one, I have shown all the dimension. In this way you can draw this thing. 60 is this one, 125 is this one, 150 is this line. Okay, and this center distance is this one, 150. And so I hope you would have enjoyed in my exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. You have to keep the polar tracking on this sketch. Okay, and